Are you recording? Hey. Oh,
you said that already. Don't walk into the telephone pole. Stop trying to be ninja.
I'm not a ninja. I am so ninja. So mad. We're walking back to Melinda's house so we can drink pina coladas and sing and dance to Screamo music. Should be very excited. I'm very excited. Yeah. Jump in a puddle.
Go. How did that feel?
It was fantastic. Well,
He just went right by obscenity now.
yeah, you didn't even stop to you either. They're not even saying hi to us.
They're so mean. I mean, who does that?
I know. I'm very upset.
Freaking drink it.
I know. Freaking drink it. Well, I'd rather
At least you don't have to watch out for ninja gangs. Like,
yeah, like all those ones that like to shoot people up my street. Quite dangerous.
well, I live here, so it could be dangerous, you know, me going dinosaur and all.
Maybe.